Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Venmo credit card. So keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Logging into Venmo credit card account is quite easy. Open up a web browser of your choice. Now in the web address bar that pops up at the very top of the screen, type in venmo.com/about/credit card and press enter on a keyboard. You'll end up in this page over here, which is the official web page of Venmo. Simply go ahead and click on the sign in and apply button in order to log into your credit card account. The Venmo credit card is a Visa branded credit card integrated into the Venmo experience. It allows you to make contactless payments, request new virtual card numbers, earn cashback rewards on your purchases, and sell much more. Click on the Sign In and Apply button and you'll be taken to a new page. Go ahead and enter your email address, your mobile number, or your username in the first text box. You can type in any one of them and type in the password on the next field. Let's start by typing in one of these information at the very top. In my case, I'm going to type in my email address. Soon after you do that, go to the next field. Type in your password into the text box. Make sure to type in your information correct. In case you don't remember your password, click on this Forgot Password link beneath and follow the on-screen prompts. You can double-check your password by clicking on this icon in the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. Finally, click the Sign In button in order to log into Venmo credit card account. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.